Hmm.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, friends. I am Bhagyashree Ghurke. My topic is Atlas, the humanoid robot. So, Atlas is a basically bipedal humanoid robot. What is humanoid robot? The robot looks like human, and what is bipedal? The robot which walks on two legs. That's it. And it is 1.8 meter long. Its height is 1.8 meter, and it weighs around 230. It was unveiled to the public on July 11, 2013. Atlas is made by Boston Dynamics, which is a engineering institute. Atlas have 28 hydraulically accurate degrees of freedom to hands, arms, legs, and feet. And Atlas is constructed of aluminum and titanium. So, literature survey. Here is one of the literature survey made by the Boston Dynamics. They have shown that at the early development stage, they using the Gaussian progress regression for the updation in Atlas robot. They have did around 40,000 experiment for the one action which is walking, and they use the irregular surfaces for walking the Atlas, and because of this 40,000 experiment, they got huge amount of experience data. With the help of this experience data, they got the ability to estimate the risk of failure. So here is another option, and they showing that using the presented walking framework, they use the framework presented walking, and in this framework they use the blocks for Atlas to walk on it, and he used to walk on a single block. They are changing the places of blocks by for increasing the experience rate of Atlas. And here we can say they use the concept machine learning, that robot doing experiments more and more and getting the experiment data, and taking and reducing the chances of failure. And if the atlas get fell while walking, they use the angular momentum concept to regain the balance, and it prevents to fall. So what's new at last? Here is the survey of Boston Dynamics. They have uploaded the Atlas video of the updation of Atlas in YouTube from 2016 to 2019. In the first video, they have showing the updation of Atlas is like Atlas is now able to jumping on boxes, turning 180 degrees, and performing a black flip. And the second video was on 10th of May 2018. Boston Dynamics released an update video of Atlas robot on YouTube. In this video, Atlas was shown running across grass on an uneven terrain, as well as jumping over a long line on the grass. And the third video was uploaded on 12th of October 2018. The Boston Dynamics updated the Atlas like Atlas is now running around the boxes while jumping. And in the next video, the last video was came in to 24th of September 2019. The Boston Dynamics released another update video of Atlas. In this video, Atlas got dramatical skills like he can do gymnastics, and he got the demonstrate ability to perform a hand somersault and rotation all in fluid succession. Boston Dynamics claimed the robot was trained using new techniques, that the streamline the development process. So, brief on system, they have made the Atlas by considering some concept that Atlas should do this work, and this work is like drive utility vehicle, travel dismounted through various terrain, remove debris, open doors, climb ladder stairs, break through walls, locate and close walls, and connect fire hose. And Atlas also have some real world applications, like natural disaster relief efforts, hospital usage. In hospital usage, Atlas can work as a ward boy. In and also national security rescue efforts, it can use as a rescue team member. and in infrastructure disaster relief, and also in experimental usage. Um, there are some advantages as well as disadvantages of Atlas. The advantages is like Atlas can go in environments that humans can't withstand, and it acts and resembles a human. It can replace a human in some places, and it can use also in aid emergency services in search and rescue operations. It has disadvantage as well. It has got revealed in 2013, so it is quite new, and it has to some malfunction and have some errors. And it also 6 feet tall and weighs 320 pounds. That means it is hard to carry anywhere. So by this presentation, I have got some points of conclusion. So there are, the first point is like Atlas is a humanoid robot, which is the latest robot till now, which is latest robot in the world. And it is 6 feet tall and weighs 330 pounds. Boston Dynamics are doing changes in Atlas by considering certain period of time, and they are doing the updations like jumping, running on rough roads, and ability to perform gymnastic moves. Atlas can perform many actions like drive, climb, brake, etc. He can climb on stairs as well. It has real world applications like hospital and experimental usage and many more. There are some references of my PPT. Any question? Any question, friends? So thank you.